Hey guys, welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. I'm Malerie.
I'm Gavin. I'm Gavin. I'm not Gavin.
Okay.
I'm Dylan.
And I'm Gavin.
And the boys and I are going to the animal shelter here in our local community. Gavin actually wanted to go on his birthday, but we didn't make it, so we have made a special arrangement so we can go up there. A lot of times when we're in town at the skate park or in town riding our bikes, the shelter has been closed, but we always go up to the windows and play with the little kitties. They always come up there to us. It's just so sweet, and we've been wanting to go for a really long time, so we're pretty excited that we're getting ready to go up there, and we're gonna learn about how the shelter works, hopefully be able to feed them and water them and love on them.
Yeah.
And Dylan, tell them.
No, you.
So for the last 3 years, Dylan has said that once he gets older and grown up, he wants to actually open an animal shelter.
Yeah.
For dogs, cats, or both? Both. So this is going to be a really cool experience for him, I think.
Yeah.
Hard to tell them apart. These guys are about 3 months old, maybe 3.5. They came in when they were about maybe 7 or 8 weeks old.
Aww.
And they were found in the middle of a highway at night. They're all in one litter, but he was so tiny.
This looks like Marvel a little bit.
Yeah.
Their name, the black one is Neon Moon. I didn't name him. And the girl is Brooks and the boy's Kicks. And then we've got Tammy and they love company.
You're a big boy. So big.
That's Tempe that you're petting. That's Pretzel. And this is Boo and Putter. And who's the other one?
Who's over there?
Boo and Putter.
No, over there.
There's a Lily and a Reba in here. We have so many black cats. It's just, we never had this many at one time.
Dylan, what do you think?
So many cats.
This one's lovely.
Yeah.
They're all like this one was scared.
I think this is Peanut.
Peanut.
No, that's Peanut over there, the smallest one.
I got double kitties. I got 3 kitties. Gavin, I got 3 kitties.
I have Peanut.
I have Peanut.
We just came out of the shelter.
Yeah.
So let's talk about some of the things that we learned in there.
Okay.
You want to start with the cats, how they separate them in the, what'd she call it, the teenagers and the
Kittens.
yeah. So they have 3 separate rooms.
Yep.
Usually, so once they first get them, they quarantine them for a little bit, make sure they're healthy and all that, and then they'll go into the room with either the kittens or the teenagers or the adults,
Yeah,
however
so-
old they are.
Did tell us that this building that they have for the shelter was donated, and she said that the community here is really good about donating food and litter stuff.
Yeah,
and
the pellets
the pellets,
for the
and
cats.
they got bedding in there that gets donated, and like the cat toys and stuff like that. All the rooms were kept so nice and clean. She said that they come in how many times a day?
Like 2.
2 or 3. It's been several hours cleaning out the bowls and the litter boxes and the messes on the floors, and love on them the entire time. So she did let us know that we could come back anytime, and so I think we're gonna make this a routine thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I asked her some specific things of what they use as far as cat food and dog food. Do you know why I asked that?
Wow.
I think we should donate some.
Yeah. Yeah. I
I
was thinking about that too. I was gonna say that.
I was gonna tell you.
When you go up to the window, it's like they're needing attention. And I was like, maybe they don't give them as much attention. They give them so much attention,
Yeah.
she said. So much. Like when they're cleaning and watering and giving them food. They said they'll just pick them up and love them and all that.
So they do adoption
Mhm.
here. They do fostering here.
Mhm.
Dogs get time outside. She said usually a couple times a day. They allow them to go outside and run and play. They have a little room in there specifically for the dogs to run around and play, and they have lots of toys in there for them. Oh, we should donate some toys too, maybe. Yeah. She said that there was one dog in there that he likes to steal the other animals' toys.
Yeah,
That was funny.
when they open his cage, and if another cage is open, he'll run right in that cage, take the toy, and bring it back to his cage. It's funny.
That is funny. They didn't have as many dogs as I thought they would.
Yeah.
I figured they'd have lots of dogs.
There was 2 dogs that were interesting. They're like, I don't know what breed they were. It was weird.
Yeah,
It was
we
a
got
weird breed.
pictures of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's 2 cats right over here.
Yeah, they said that.
There they are. And there's dogs back there in that cage. She said that some of the dogs are like not mean,
They
but
just don't like kids.
yeah, they're a little aggressive. One of the dogs inside was, but she said I think he's been through some stuff. Somebody hurt him or something, which it happens. Some people are
Not so nice to animals,
yeah.
unfortunately.
Yeah. One dog in there, that old one,
Mm-hmm.
I think he's real sweet. He didn't get up at all. She said that they go in this little play area and they can play with the ball, or she said that he wouldn't get up. He wouldn't go in there and play with it at all. But he's old, so.
She did say that we could come back and love on them anytime we wanted to, but you had mentioned that you would like to maybe help out.
Yeah.
Maybe feeding and changing out the water and stuff like that. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. So, Mr. I want to have a shelter when I get older. What do you think? A lot more work than you would have thought?
I'm still gonna do it, probably, but
Yeah. So you could have people help like they do, volunteers, and you could have a cool shelter when you get older. Yeah. Rescue animals and rehome them and have foster homes. Yeah. Okay, so we might make this a routine thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If next time we come back, we might bring the camera and video it too.
Yeah.
Yeah, we could do that. I'm glad we came.
Yeah, this was fun.
Yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video.
Comment if you like dogs or cats better.
Yeah, that's a good one.
It's a hard question, but
Yeah.
It's a hard one. Okay, you answer.
I can't. I can't. It's too
I'm
hard.
gonna go with dogs. The one reason there's a couple reasons about cats. One, some of them are a little grumpy. We have a cat, Marvel. He's a little turd.
Yeah. I mean, dogs.
They kind of stink a little bit.
Yeah.
But I mean, they're good. I like them.
I'd have to say dog.
Yeah. I think.
You're a little bit allergic to them.
Yeah,
Like,
I'm a little allergic. I used to be severely allergic to cats.
yeah.
I couldn't even touch them without. Whew, not good.
Now, you have to. Bear's just like all up
now
in your
Bear just
face and
hugs and loves.
Yeah.
hoping you get over it.
Just good thing.
And remember to like and subscribe to our channel.
Bye.
Bye.